pardon my language, what I'm about to say. God forgive me first of all. But you bitch made ass pussy dick in the cell ass in your booty hole bitch. Whoever keep talking about my house, playing on that loud ass music hole. If you can't stop, nigga, and get out the car and knock on my door and say, bitch, I wanna fight. Sit down, hoe, and piss. Bitch. Nigga ain't nothing to play with. Do I like something to play with, hoe? Bitch, I choke you out, knock you out, nigga. I cut your babies up, nigga, and fry them bitches on the grill in front of your ass. You better sit down and find somebody to fuck with, boy. This Israelite power you fucking with, you bitch. Oh, y'all. My bloodline, God forgive me. Samson blood, nigga. I'll choke you out, then wake you back up, choke you out again, then piss in your face. Ho. God forgive me for real. You nigga think I nigga pussy. Bitch. Stop trying to press women, ho.